The whole of science is nothing more than a refinement of everyday thinking.
Hi everyone! Do you know that science plays such an important part in our daily life? The first thing that cheers us every morning is a cup of tea, and it is science that made us that stimulating drink. In every move we make, in every breath we take, it is all about science. We are very much dependent on science in everyday living.
This will lead us in our topic for today, understanding elements and compounds in daily lives.
Have you ever questioned how we manage to make it by on a daily basis? We all utilize a variety of compounds on a daily basis that are now crucial to our development and survival. These substances are present in the food we consume, the water we drink, and the air we breathe every day. Studying elements and compounds is essential for understanding the world around us, developing sustainable practices, and ensuring safety and efficiency in many areas of daily life.
An element is a substance that cannot be broken down into a simpler format. They're distinguished by a unique atomic number. The elements are organized by their atomic number in the periodic table, which highlights elements with similar properties. Elements play a significant role in our daily lives, from the air we breathe to the food we eat. Elements are present in everything around us. Some examples of elements that we encounter in our daily lives are oxygen. Oxygen is essential for life and is present in the air we breathe. There is also carbon, which is present in all living organisms and is a key component of many important molecules such as DNA, proteins, carbohydrates. There is also hydrogen, sodium, chlorine, iron, calcium, aluminum, nitrogen, and gold. More examples of elements that we encounter in our daily lives are boron, neon, phosphorus, argon, gallium, selenium, krypton, and many more.
Good day everyone, I am Mother James Giachas and together we will learn what a compound is. Compounds are essential building blocks of life and play a crucial role in our daily lives, from the food we eat to the medication we take. These chemical combinations consist of two or more elements that are bonded together in a specific way, resulting in unique physical and chemical properties. The study of compounds is a fascinating field that explores the interests of how elements interact with one another and how these interactions give rise to the vast array of materials and substances that make up our world. This topic will delve deeper into the world of compounds and uncover the science behind their behavior and properties. Compounds are substances that are made out of two or more different elements that are chemically bonded together. They play a vital role in our daily lives and are present in many of the products and substances that we use and consume. Here are some examples of compounds that we encounter in our daily lives. First, we have water. Water is a compound made of hydrogen and oxygen. It is essential for life and is used for many purposes, including drinking, cleaning, and manufacturing. Next, we have sodium chloride. Sodium chloride or table salt is a compound made of sodium and chloride. It is used as seasoning for food and as a preservative for many products. We have carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is a compound made up of carbon and oxygen. It is produced by living organisms during respiration and is also released during the burning of fossil fuels. It is important in the process of photosynthesis, which is how plants produce oxygen. Glucose. Glucose is a compound made of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. It is a source of energy for living organisms and is found in many foods, including fruits and vegetables. Next, we have calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate is a compound made of calcium, carbon, and oxygen. It is found in many natural substances, including limestone and shells, and is used in the production of many products, including cement, and antacids. Next we have aspirin. Aspirin is a compound made out of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. It is a common pain reliever and anti-inflammatory medication. Next we have sucrose. Sucrose is a compound made up of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. It is a type of sugar that is found in many foods, including fruits and vegetables. Next, we have ethanol. Ethanol is a compound made up of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. It is the primary component of alcoholic beverages and is also used as a fuel. Methane. Methane is a compound made up of carbon and hydrogen. It is a potent greenhouse gas and is also used as a fuel. We have most common baking soda. Baking soda is a compound made of sodium, hydrogen, carbon, and oxygen. It is used as a leavening agent in baking and as a cleaning agent. These are just a few examples of the many compounds that we encounter in our daily lives. Understanding the properties and behavior of these compounds is important for many fields of science and technology, including the medicine, agriculture, and materials of science.
Good day everyone, I am Aldrich and I will explain the last slide shown here, which is all about the importance of studying the elements and compounds. The study of elements and compounds is essential for comprehending the world around us, developing sustainable practices, and preserving effectiveness and safety in many areas of daily life. We can become more familiar with their names and symbols by studying elements and compounds. They would gain the self-assurance necessary to speak fluidly when identifying or debating constituents or compounds. Additionally, it will explain the significance of these ideas in our day-to-day lives. That's all for this presentation. Once again, we are Group 1 and I hope you've learned something. Thank you so much for listening.